hardcore fans of the Cajon Pass. Excuse me. How's this for a nice train? We're going to go back up into the Cajon Pass. I'm guessing this is empty, probably going back to Utah. It's the coal train. They take this up to LA. The company's called Simplex Mercantile or something like that. They offload this into vessels. And I think they take these to Asia. We'll get a good look at it from up there. I'm going to try to get it where we can look down into the hoppers. I'm going to give you the low view, then I'm going to give you the high view. That's the plan anyway. We'll see how it goes. There's a lot of track work going on out there. I might not be able to pull it off. At the Ardent Flour Mill back there, we're on Kendall Avenue. Either in Vermont or Devore. Boundary is right around here somewhere. Well, I hope the rest of the day goes this good. I just got out here today. Got a bunch of premieres going right now. I did some editing and got those going. And those are going off right now. And I'm out here getting more for tomorrow for you to watch. These, of course, have the rotary couplers. If you look that up on YouTube, you can see some pretty good videos of how awesome it is. How fast they can unload these and efficient. Boy, that engineer saw me jump out and get my camera going. He gave me a great salute. See if he remembers us up here. If we can get it again. I'm going to try to. Had a bunch of power units up front. I'll have to give it a good count. See the camera moving. I'm always looking over my shoulder out here. I'm always being safe. Safer than you guys know. But you got to these days. I love these coal trains. OG. Old guy. Original gangsta. Got another train coming on main track number 1, going in the same direction. It's on the inside track. I can see the smokestacks. Try to catch that one too. It's an intermodal stack. It's like a Z train. Should be well ahead of this one by the time we get up there. We will see. There's another OG. It's supposed to be warm today. The sun hasn't come out yet. We've got this beautiful cloud cover. I'm digging it. Shoot, there's the end of train number 1, and I really don't want to hang around here for this rest of this one. Could end pretty soon. They're already into some trailers. That usually means the end's coming soon, but not always. I don't get it, I should be able to get it somewhere, this train. 2 or 3 spots I can get it. I want to get it at Blue Cut where I can get a good look down into it. But if I don't, I'm just going to have to get it somewhere else. Maximum speed out here in the Cajon Pass for trains like this is 35 miles an hour, and I'll be able to go 60. I should be able to track it down. A whole bunch of piggybacks here. A couple piglets there. ABFs. It'll be interesting to see how much this train is ahead of the other one once we get up there, or if it's even ahead at all. There's a lot of track work going on too. They might tie one of them down. They had 3 closed down yesterday. Boy, no wind and cool weather. What a change. Nice not having to cover my hand over my windsock with all my might. Man, it was windy yesterday. Picked up a 2002 Union Pacific Salt Lake City Olympic Torch model yesterday, so check that one out. Boy, it was windy on that catch. I had to make my legs into a human tripod. All right, get ready to hit the road and chase some trains. I only chase the good ones. I'm going to chase that coal train. There's the famous start at Flour Mill. They're doing a lot of track work down to the right there today. All the grainers are pulled out. If they finish, they'll pull some new grainers in here on Monday. All right, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. You can help us out at Patreon if you like. We have super likes, super chat. If I catch this coal train again, I'm not sure if I'm going to connect it with this one or not. So hang around, you guys. There may be another one. There may not. Love you. Take care.